What if the real reason you're burned out isn't overwork, but 1,000 tiny decisions draining your willpower before lunch? Constantly choosing what to eat, where, or even how to respond to a message may feel trivial, but each decision chips away at your mental energy. Society glorifies the hustle while ignoring that endless choices can sabotage productivity, relationships, and health. Research by Roy Baumeister shows that willpower is finite. Every minor decision, even something as simple as, should I reply now or later, depletes your reserve. Introverts who process decisions more deeply feel this drain even more acutely. Understanding how decision fatigue works is the first step. Think of your brain as a phone with a limited battery. Every choice, from picking an outfit to deciding what project to tackle, drains your energy. This domino effect of low energy cascades into a cycle of poor decisions, often leading to procrastination, junk food binges, or endless scrolling on social media. For example, judges have been shown to approve fewer parole requests later in the day, illustrating how decision quality deteriorates over time. So, how do you reclaim your focus? Start by implementing a 4-step decision fatigue fix framework. 1. Automate the small stuff. Decide once and repeat often. Build a capsule wardrobe, meal prep in batches, and develop templates for recurring work tasks. Following in the footsteps of icons like Mark Zuckerberg, using a standard hoodie or routine can free up mental space. 2. Batch your decisions. Time box specific tasks. Allocate designated windows, such as 9 to 10 a.m. for emails and 3 to 4 p.m. for planning. This minimizes constant fluttering between choices and preserves energy. 3. Set defaults that work for you. Replace willpower with systems. Keep only healthy snacks at home. Set auto-replies for emails outside core hours, and establish default routines for social engagements. 4. Use the one decision rule for big choices. Define non-negotiable decisions. For instance, decide I will work out every morning at 7 a.m. instead of debating whether to work out each day. Protect your energy further by scheduling silent windows, periods with no meetings or distractions, and use simple exits like a quick bathroom escape when overwhelm sets in. Finally, reframe indecision as strategic delay. Instead of rushing a choice, ask, "Can I sleep on this?" Or journal about what small decision can wait. Hit subscribe if you're ready to stop draining your brain on nonsense. Comment below, what's one decision you'll automate this week?